So hello students, this is class 3rd. Class 3rd and lesson 13, air and water. Lesson 13, air and water. In this lesson, we have studied about the air, water and the journey of water or the water cycle. You read what have you learned, read yourself, more to know also, and word power. These things you read yourself. Now we are going to solve worksheet 13. So in this worksheet, worksheet 13. A. Fill in the blanks. A. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So first, air is the mixture of several gases. So first you have to write gases. Air is a mixture of several gases. Now next, air is bad for health. So you have to write here polluted. Polluted air is bad for health. Here you have to write polluted. Polluted. Now third, water in its natural state is in the liquid form. Liquid form. Now fourth, water changes its form due to change in temperature. This is temperature. Now next, we use the same again and again through water cycle. So here you have to write water. We use the same water again and again through water cycle. So here you have to write water. Fifth is water. Now next, next one what we have to see, take the right answer. Second one is take the right answer. This is part B. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. Take the right answer. So first, the life giver gas in the air is. The life giver gas in the air is. Three options are given here. First is air, carbon dioxide and oxygen. Three options are given here. So out of these options, oxygen is correct option. The first, oxygen. Now second, when we breathe air through the nose, it is called. When we breathe air through the nose, it is called. Three options are given: evaporation, respiration and condensation. In evaporation, the water is lost in the form of the water vapors. In evaporation, water is lost in the form of the water vapors. Or the process of conversion of water into water vapor is called as the evaporation. While condensation, the conversion of water vapors into water drops or water is called as the condensation. So here, breathe. When we breathe air through the nose, it is called respiration. So second, you have to write respiration. Second is respiration. Now third, gases, gaseous form. Gaseous form of water is, three options are given: steam, air and ice. Air is gaseous form of the water is steam, air and the ice. Ice is solid form of water. And so here third, steam will be correct option. Steam is correct option. So third, steam. And fourth question, steam cools down and changes into. Steam cools down and changes into, three options are given: water vapor, water and ice. So here water is correct option. Water is correct option. Now next one is, that is question 4th and 5th. In the sky, water vapor forms in the sky. Water vapor form, three options are given: rain, clouds and snow. So here clouds will be correct option. In the sky, water vapor forms clouds. Fifth, clouds. Once again, we have to see. First, fill in the blanks. Air is the mixture of several gases. Next, polluted. Polluted air is bad for health. Now third, water in its natural state is in the liquid form. And fourth, water changes its form due to the change in temperature. And fifth, we use the same water again and again through water cycle. Now next, take the right answer. So first and take the right answer first. The life giver gas in the air is, three options are given: air, carbon dioxide and oxygen. So here oxygen is correct option. Now second, when we breathe air through the nose, it is called, three options are given: evaporation, respiration and condensation. So here respiration will be correct option. And next third, gaseous form of water is steam, air and ice. So here steam is correct option. And fourth, steam cools down and changes into water vapor, water and ice. So here water is correct option. Now next, in the sky water vapors form, three options are given: rain, clouds and the snow. So clouds is the correct option. So that's for today. Thank you.